The vibration courses are to clear you of any of this debris, old patterns, old thinking, negativity, and sometimes even physical stuff that you have accumulated through this lifetime and sometimes past lifetimes. Often past lifetimes as well. But all this negativity makes people feel that they are having no control. They go in downward spirals. They get depressed. They take antidepressants. The whole story. It's a very powerful course, and it's a very powerful cleansing process you're going to be doing. And in a matter of very, very short period of time, you have cleared all your chakras. But that's not the only thing you clear. You clear your thought patterns. You clear your negative behavior, habits, and everything. So I mean, it really is to evolve, for people to ascend to the next level. You bring in that energy, you clear out all this negativity, and you raise your vibration and your frequency. When you do that, then you start manifesting the lives that you want. So who wouldn't want to do that?